Now we will solve problem number 5, that is 8 minus 3x greater than equal to 5. And now we need to solve this inequality for x. We will remove all the rest of numbers, either these are multiplied or in division or in addition or subtraction along with this x variable. So first of all we will remove this 8. To remove this 8 we need to subtract on both sides of the inequalities the number 8. So we will get from there, here it will be cancelled out and we will left with the negative 3x and greater than equal to negative 3. Now what we need to do, we need to remove this negative 3 as well. So for this we need to divide by negative 3 on both sides of the inequalities. And as we discussed in the problem 4, probably that was this is the problem 6 and we discussed that in problem 5, that whenever we multiply with the negative sign on both sides of the inequalities, so we will reverse the sign of the inequality. This is the rule of the inequality, that if a is less than b, then negative a will be greater than negative b. So here it will be less than or equal to we will use, due to this negative sign which we are multiplying on both sides, or you can say that we are dividing by the negative number on both sides. So from here it will be cancelled out and we will left with x is strictly less than number 1. So this is the solution of above inequality 5. So in alternate way we can rewrite this in interval form like this. And now this is the solution for that inequality, and how we can represent this solution on the number line. Here we have 1 and here till infinity and positive infinity, and this would be the solution. We can represent this on the same number line, but that will be not visible, so that's why I am representing this solution a little bit above to the number line. So here we will have this number 1, and now this time we will fill this circle up because this 1 is included in this interval. Excuse me, I'm really sorry, we will use here this brackets. Now you have seen that if we have this sign, this inequality less than or equal to, now here we have equality sign. This is now understandable, that this is understood that this 1 must be included in the solution of inequality, and here we will use close interval over here, and here we will use the filled circle, that 1 itself is included in this interval for the solution of this inequality. This means if we substitute any number from this interval in this inequality for the variable x, this inequality will must satisfy, and even it will be satisfied on 1 because 1 is also included in this interval.